Hey guys, now we are in our factory. Now we started to produce, our model is E26. This is the model is we called for the lady models. It's very nice, very good. As you can see, now this is our production line. We started the production from here in this totally of the production line. And you can see there, this is some other bike is already finished the production. So it's cool. Our team is working very hard and they trying piece by piece after the production. As you check here, he tried the brake and the peak confirmed that the brake is working very well and everything is very great. So normally the production is starting is from this units is we doing the wheel, but we already in this patch the wheel is done, and then we started to put it in the production line there to start to plug part by part for every piece, as you see now. So you can check here they plug the motor, and then later they will put here the controller, and they already plug the wheel. This is the wheel is done before in another step, plus the brake is done in another step. This model E26 is 26-inch and with a removable battery. This is battery you can easily to remove, and also have lock key. You can lock the battery from the other side here. You can lock the battery so no anyone can install in the battery. And if you wanted to charging, you can take out the battery and charge in your home, in your office, or you can charge all of the bike together from this hole here. You just connect your charger, your AC adapter, and then you charge it. This model have big LCD as you see here, and it has Shimano gear, 7 gear, 7 speed, and is coming with 3 speed. Need first to open to be work, so it's working now. This E26 is come with the 3 speeds. You can see 2, 3 or 0. And the good things for this model is the non-zero. What's the mean of non-zero? Mean is that normally when you want to ask electric from the bike and you can go to the electric, you just use the throttle. But for non-zero, you couldn't ask the electric after you axed down the accelerator. You need first to pedal. And then use the throttle to get electric. This is very good function to be safety for when you're riding the bike, because if no non-zero function and then you put your hand here and you ask a throttle directly, so the bike will jump from you, and also is a little dangerous, especially if you put your hand and you are in the stopping or you don't riding, and then suddenly your hand is going down and then you find the bike is moved. So the non-zero function is very, very important, and most of all of our bike, our models, it has this non-zero model, has a non-zero mode. And you can see is big screen with the in front and the rear disc brake, and with suspension. So this model is nice, and also with back shelf, so you can use it as a cargo or you can put it anything here. And the motor is a powerful motor, 350 watt is a hub motor. And this is the chain is the rusty chain, is an anti-rusty chain. We have 2 color. We have the white, we have the black there. About the price, you need to check later with our agent. We will send you our agents so you can know how much in your country the price for piece by piece. For a wholesaler, it's different price, sure. You can see we try to make the bike ready quickly to shipping to our warehouse in Poland and UK and US. Now is the time is the night in China. It's around 8 o'clock, so we are in the night shift. We try to working hard to produce all of the bike with very high quality, with very efficient. This is the bike is cool for unisex, for men, for boy and girl, for man and woman. And also it has come with a waterproof cable, plug and play waterproof cable. So this is waterproof cable, and also if there is any problem in any of this device, you just take out the cable, and then you change this device. This is in after sales or in the warranty, and then you put it quickly. So you don't need to remove all of this cable from the controller and then you change it again. So this is more head ash. So the waterproof cable is very good for after sales service, and also it's very good for waterproof. No any problem in the raining or leave it outside, is no any problem. You can see here the grab is have this stand, so it's very comfortable in your hand. Is not straight, just have this part, so it's nice actually, nice. So you can see it's comfortable, and you press the brake. There they try the bike after it's finished production. They try it one by one to do all of the QC, and then we put it in this part, and then later we will make another QC before cleaning and before package and before shipping out. You can see here it's done very good, no any voice when you move the bike, so the brake is done very well. Here now you hear this is voice, that means it's still the braking need to adjust. You hear this voice? So now they're trying to adjust to be very good for the brake. This is, we must do this step piece by piece to be sure The braking is no any voice. The braking is working efficiently, no any problem. And also the E26, it has a sensor, pedal sensor here. This pedal sensor is when you're pedaling, is can provide you electric, and can asking electric from the motor. And the good things for this pedal sensor is can provide you the distance 1.5 times than if you're asking the electric from the throttle. That means, as an example of the bike, if by throttle you can ride 30 kilometers every charging, by pedal you can ride 45 kilometers per charge. In this step, we connect all of the cables, the waterproof cables, and then we tighten it by clippers. And here in this step, we put the controller, as you can see. And then we put the controllers in the frame. Here after he put, we already close by the frame here. All of these steps is they cut all of the clips and they put all of the screws to be sure everything is right, and then it's put it down and they try one by one for the electric. Is the motor working, controller working, LCD working, everything's, and then later put it there to the other team there to check the brake one by one. As you check, this is the compartment here is to make the card setup area in these tables, but already this step is done for this batch. This batch is around 220 pieces. This is with shipping one container. And then after checking and all of the QC, we put it in this package line. In this package line, we package it by the carton box and then by machine to wrap it. Hi to all of you, hi. If you have any questions, you can ask. We are now showing our factory, the production line, and we are now producing the model E26. This is the model again is for the ladies models and also can working at the unisex. So for man or a woman or for boy or girl. But it's very nice for the ladies. It's nice frame design, very comfortable when you're riding. We have two color, white and black. It's coming with removable battery, with big LCD, 3-speed mode, non-zero mode with Shimano gear, 7-speed. With pedal assistant sensor. Connecting welding is very perfect. Aluminium frame, very strong. See you guys in next live, and we hope all of you very well, and welcome to order anytime.